We return to each other in waves. This is how water loves.
I think I'm gonna take this advice. I don't know about the shoes part, but I can leave my worries at the door. Marry my best friend in the whole wide world. Hi everyone. I guess this will be to us actually, so hi us. Hi us.
For 14 years, we've both watched each other grow, but we've most certainly grown up together. The love I have for you is deeper than most could imagine or understand. I love seeing you fly. I love your smile, your eye rolls, your touch, your wisdom, your heart, your intentions, your mind, your creativity, your growth, your laugh. There's so many things I love about you. We'd be here for hours if I listed them all. I'm so grateful to have met you and for you to have chosen me at the same time I was choosing you. So let's keep choosing each other. I love you. Thank you for loving me.
People ask me all the time, what do we do to stay together for so long? And my short answer is the work. We do the work it takes to keep thriving and growing and loving. Causha, you illuminate the best parts of me, and I plan on glowing in your love for the rest of my entire life. And I feel beyond lucky to do so.
By the power vested in me by the state of Hawaii and the Universal Life Church, I now pronounce you married.
Thank you guys for having this beautiful ceremony. You guys are beautiful people. Continue to love hard, love forever.